big thing with this whole regenerative farming is about nutrition itself. And several people now have just fed the animals the right nutrition, ad lib. The animals have got access to different minerals when they want it. We don't dictate what they do. We just put it there and they access what they need. And by doing that, it helps them, like once they get the right nutrition, it helps them get their gut biology gets better, and it's suited for where they are in whatever landscape they're in, and they pass that on to the land. And of course, the biology in the soil gets better because of that. And really, it's that the work of the biology in the soil that drives this whole system.
So all of this really boils down to impact. So you need animals in the system because it helps the waterways, it helps giving the nutrient cycling for the land, it helps with biodiversity, it helps with the birds and various small creatures being able to have habitats because of the grasses and different species that grow because of the encouragement of those different microbes. So the entire cycling system for both wildlife and plants and microbes and animals is all pretty key to those animals being managed in a way that allows that nature to balance again. Would that be about right?
Yeah, absolutely. That you've said it. And so if we're not building that humus in the soil, which is 58% carbon, that's why we talk about carbon, because that's where it comes from in the first place. If we're not building that, none of these systems will have resilience. They won't. They'll fall over.
So if you could say something to a young person in the city who maybe doesn't shop and doesn't care about what they eat and doesn't care about anything to do with, like the produce itself, what could you say is something that they could do to help support the farmer?
By them, their buying decisions on what food they eat, their conscious decision they make when they buy food will dictate how the farmer manages the land.